As anticipated, the Federal Reserve raised rates again yesterday to 4%. The market and the pundits spent the entire afternoon parsing words trying to figure out when the pivot was coming. Are Congress, Wall Street, and the pundits playing chicken with the Fed? Hello, my name is Dennis Maynard. I am a real estate broker in Los Angeles. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Since 2008, we have experienced extremely low rates. In response to the Great Recession, the Federal Reserve encouraged the economy with historically low rates. This was known as quantitative easing, or QE. The process of rate normalization began around 2016, but was cut short due to the pandemic in 2020. QE was initiated so we would not fall into a depression. You can see this trend on this chart. The money supply was increased through the purchases of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities. Since 2020, the M2 money supply skyrocketed with trillions of dollars flooding the economy. Effectively, the Fed was complicit in bad behavior until Jerome Powell's re-election. At the beginning of the year, with inflation running rampant due to massive spending and bad policy, the Fed reversed course, beginning quantitative tightening, or QT. Essentially, the Fed is taking money out of the system. So, is the market playing chicken with the Fed? I would suggest yes. Looking at this chart of sticky CPI versus the effective funds rate, you can see the Fed's fund rate rose above the rate of inflation before inflation turned. The market keeps calling for a pause. Historically, every time there is a pause, such as in the 1970s, inflation reared its ugly head again. At this point, the Fed's fund rate is well below the rate of inflation. This means rates are going higher until we see it higher than the rate of inflation. Yes, the market is playing chicken with the Fed. If you have any questions about investing in this environment, real estate is a wonderful traditional hedge against inflation. We'd be happy to go over investment opportunities that may fit your needs.